The Life Sciences and Engineering building represents a bold step forward for hands-on learning, research, and collaboration. Designed to prepare students for the real world, this state-of-the-art facility brings together advanced laboratories, modern teaching spaces, and interdisciplinary opportunities that elevate kinesiology and athletic training education. For students in these programs, learning takes place in environments that reflect professional practice. In the Anatomy and Evaluation Laboratory, functional anatomy comes to life. Using full-scale anatomical models, students gain hands-on experience evaluating injuries and medical conditions commonly seen in physically active populations. This immersive approach connects classroom learning directly to real-world application. The Emergency Care Laboratory focuses on readiness and realism. Students train with advanced equipment for first aid, cardiac emergency response, injury management, and spine boarding. Simulation models allow students to practice managing joint dislocations, helping them develop the confidence and skills to respond when it matters most. We also have a fully equipped biomechanics lab, featuring a 16-camera motion capture system, force plates, and integrated projection technology. The space allows students to analyze human movement and build in-demand, data-driven skills. Located on George Mason's Science and Technology campus, the Life Sciences and Engineering building strengthens the university's impact across Northern Virginia, advancing research, expanding partnerships, and preparing graduates who contribute through internships, careers, and service throughout the region. Want to learn more about our programs? Visit kinesiology.gmu.edu.